Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this marionette dress hack in Dress to Impress. So in this DTI tutorial, we are revealing the ultimate marionette doll outfit hack, a style that's both elegantly eerie and seriously slay worthy. So this is the marionette dress that I created. And I'm going to show you how you can create this dress step by step. So first, you're going to put on this white sweater and toggle it into classic. And here I'm using color white. And then put on this top and change all the color into white. And the next item is this top in here. Toggle it into number 3 and also change the color into white. And now put on this top, this white one in the top right corner. And lastly, you can just put on these two skirts. The first one is this one, toggle it into number 2. And lastly, this skirt in here. And you are done with this marionette dress. So this is the fit for Halloween themes, creepy cutter runs, or just unleashing your hauntingly cute side. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.